Hello, faith friends. My name is Christopher Esguerra, and I am your gospel share for today. So our gospel for today is according to the book of Luke, chapter 6, verses 1 to 5. So the Sabbath day was a special day for the Israelites to celebrate God's love and the rest that they had from sin. So that's why they had to celebrate or to make a special sacrifices on the Sabbath. So God wanted them to always focus on His love and forgiveness. But the Pharisees had made many of their own rules for the Sabbath, and so had taken the real meaning of the Sabbath day. So on, when they saw the disciples of Jesus plucking grains on the Sabbath and eat it, they told them off for disobeying the man-made rules. But when Jesus heard them, He reminded them of the real meaning of the Sabbath. So the Sabbath was not about keeping all the rules, but about God's love for His people. So Jesus said that David was allowed to eat the holy bread, which only the priest was meant to eat when he was hungry. So the bread was on show to remind the people of God the love for them, just like the bread. So they keep us alive. So God would look after His people. Yet when David was hungry, he was allowed to eat the holy bread. So with this example, Jesus is telling the disciples not to take the real meaning out of the Sabbath. If they spent the whole day focusing on their man-made rules, they would not remember that day as the day to celebrate God's love and forgiveness. So as today, we can spend the Sunday focusing on the rules about what we are and are not allowed to do so. So if we do that, we would forget about God's love for us and that we are saved because of Him, or not about our own obedience. But we also can just spend the Sunday doing whatever we please, focusing on ourselves. Then, we would be forgetting about God's love. So we must spend the Sunday going to church and focusing on the love of God for us and on how He was forgiven our sins and is preparing us for the eternal rest in heaven. So that's all for my reflections. If you are interested for more videos, don't forget to subscribe in our Facebook.ph YouTube channel, or just download the app and register at www.facebook.ph. Thank you and God first.